Is this Privacy 17 Pro Max screen protector going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So when it comes to everything included, you have the installation helper tray right here, which is going to help you install the screen protector. You've got both privacy screen protectors here, so it does come with 2 of them. You've got your bubble removal tool in case after installation you have any air bubbles left on your screen. You can rub those out with that. And then of course you have your installation package, which is going to have your cleaning kit, your microfiber cloth, wet wipes, etc. So now I'm going to show you how to install it. I got my phone right here. First thing you want to do obviously is clean it off, so just make sure you get any dust or particles off the phone screen. What you're going to want to do next is grab the installation tray and you're going to set your phone in there. It should have a nice fit. You're going to want to grab one of the screen protectors and make sure you have that protective film side down, and you're going to connect these little areas here on these hooks. So if you look right here at the top, you've got hooks on both sides there, and then you also have these little pegs at the bottom. So all you're going to want to do is just make sure you connect those and then secure the bottom part here on those pegs. Make sure everything is lined up. You can see you have the camera area here nice and lined up, so everything should be good to go. Once everything is lined up, all you're going to want to do is pull that protective film out from the bottom. Grab the top roller piece and make sure you have that slowly at the top of the phone. I'm going to place my finger here at the top of that film, and I'm just going to slowly slide it down. Then I'm going to go one more time upwards. That should secure the screen protector right to your phone. I'm going to lift off these pegs here, and I'm going to take off that protective film. Take the phone out, and there you have it. Your screen protector is nicely installed. As you can see, I do have some air bubbles there, so I'm just going to get the bubble removal tool and get those out. And once the air bubbles are out, as you can see, we are ready to go. Screen protector is nicely installed. Great lineup as well, especially for the new 17 Pro Max design. And of course, not only are these going to protect your 17 Pro Max, but they're also the privacy ones, so people aren't going to be able to see what you're doing, especially if you have your phone at an angle. Really easy installation on these as well, and it's almost like this is just the regular 17 Pro Max screen. It's that slim. But overall, if you are looking for a privacy screen protector for your 17 Pro Max that has an easy installation, going to protect your phone and obviously keep your privacy when it comes to going on your phone, would definitely recommend these new ones from WSKEN. Yeah, really easy installation and definitely made to protect your phone.